Right here, the K2 guest house, located between Pratumnak 5 and 6. A king studio I'll be viewing inside here today. The rental price, 13,500 baht per month, with daily room cleaning included and no extra charge for electric usage. If you're interested in renting a room, here are the contact numbers that can also be added to WhatsApp and the line applications. The K2 guest house is situated on a side street between Pratumnak 5 and 6. I'll post the building's location link in the video description as always. If you walk to the left, here is Soi 5, the busiest road in the Pratumnak district. Many convenience stores, cafes, restaurants, a few bars too. And at the far end of this Soi, here is Yinyon Beach, less than a 5-minute walk from the K2. If you'd like to make a donation, I'd really appreciate it. In the video description is the Buy Me a Coffee link. Also, the Buy Me a Coffee QR code link is above on the left. Also a thank you to channel members Dave Knudsen, Tor Osley Rusvik, August Rush, T2, Andrew Bruce, V Abbott, Glyven, Andy Bruce and Star Media. The room type I viewed inside the K2 was a king studio, priced at 13,500 baht per month, a special low season rate. That may sound pricey, however, daily room cleaning is included and no extra charge for electric usage. The deposit is 1,000 baht. So here are my thoughts. I'll begin with the downsides. The condition of the building, not too good. It appeared aged. In particular, when looking at it from the outside. Also, the balcony walls and flooring look very worn and distressed. The building lacks an elevator inside. The furnishings provided are fair, however the quality average. The bed mattress, medium softness. may not suit those who are accustomed to sleeping on a soft one. The kitchen lacked the cooking stove or any heating appliances like a microwave. No bedside cabinet to rest your phone or bottled water, etc. Some upsides now. The location is a big positive. Pratumnak Beach, less than a 5-minute walk from the building. Despite the high rental price and the issues I mentioned, daily room cleaning is included in the rate. Also, no extra charge for electric usage, meaning you can freely power the air conditioning without worrying about racking up a large bill. As I mentioned, the furnishings provided are fair, including a couch, a large smart TV, the kitchen area quite spacious. The overall condition of the room pretty good, but as I touched on, the balcony was in poor state. So based on value for money, I'm going to rate that room type a 5 out of 10. Even taking into consideration electric usage being included in the rate, it is overpriced at 13,500 baht per month. The quality of the room too average to warrant that rate. Before I end the video, I'd like to show you a lower priced alternative in the Pratumnak district, located on Pattaya 12. This apartment building, the Skylar Boutique, opened earlier this year. The room type I'm about to show is priced at 10,000 baht per month. I'll post this location link in the video description also. Balcony. Right here are the monthly prices for the rooms, also the service charges and the contact details, a telephone number and email address. So right now I'll call it a day. I appreciate your watching. If there are any apartment buildings or condo projects you'd like me to check out in this city, feel free to leave a comment. Also, memberships are available on my channel if you'd like to sign up for one of them. And if you could all please like and subscribe, that'd help also. See you all tomorrow. Take care.